Most people get this wrong. They assume Leap Pay is just another payday or being a PL app. But the surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers a mix of early wage access, flexible installment payments, and built-in budgeting tools all on one platform. When used responsibly, LeapPay can help cover short-term expenses without falling into high-interest debt traps. Here's how LeapPay works. The app allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. You can also split eligible purchases into smaller installments over a few weeks. Instead of traditional interest, LeapPay charges a flat, predictable fee per transaction or advance. On top of that, it provides optional dashboards to track your cash flow, set spending limits, and receive reminders for upcoming repayments. The downside, overuse can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly accumulate fees, and relying too heavily on the app may create a false sense of financial security. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only access money you can confidently repay on time. 2. Set repayment reminders or calendar alerts to avoid fees. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependency. Who should use LeapPay? If you have a steady income and occasionally need short-term cash for help managing larger purchases, LeapPay can be a useful tool. If your income is inconsistent or repayment discipline is weak, it may end up costing more than it saves. In conclusion, LeapPay in 2026 is a flexible, convenient, and financial tool, but only when used responsibly. Track your fees, stick to repayment schedules, and treat it as a temporary aid rather than a permanent solution. Subscribe for more practical financial reviews and tips to manage your money smarter.